Good day, everyone. You are welcome to Learn from More Online Math. So today we are going to look at another exciting topic on the perimeter of irregular shape. All right. Now, what is a perimeter? Perimeter is the total length of the outside boundary of any given shape. So how are you going to find this kind of perimeter? Now, the reason why I decided to solve this particular problem today is because I could still remember a good friend of mine just came to me, and though he called me actually, so he called me and told me that a lot of pupils and students at the senior primary and the students at the junior secondary, they have been disturbing or they kind of disturbing his speech because of this the same word problem. Some students and pupils find this kind of word problem so irritating. Whenever they see this kind of word, whenever they see any question that has to do with perimeters, they are always what? They are always choked up. But let me assure you that after watching this video, your life will never remain the same. Now watch out and see what I will do then. Okay. Now when you have this kind of question here, now these are irregular shape. The reason why it is called an irregular shape is because the shape are not what common. Now it's not a common shape that we know, like a rectangle, squares, and the rest of them. So it's not a common shape that we know, and it's not even what it is not a regular shape. Just like the sides are not what the opposite sides or the opposite sides are not even equal. To compare if you want to compare the opposite side, they are not even equal. So there is no need. So they are not a regular shape. You cannot compare the two sides. So that's why for you to find the perimeter there, you need to you need to do a lot of underground work for you to get the perimeters. So what will I do now? For me to get the perimeter very well, that means I'm going to find the full length of here, 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 and the full length of here. After that, I will sum all of them together. That is perimeter for you. So what am I going to do now? Now we what? Now we draw a dotted line here, so that my working will be very easy for me. All right. Now I can see that the diagram there now is now a common shape. Now you can see that I can now compare the two this side here and this side here. And remember, from here to here is 9, and from here to here is 3, and from here to here is 9. And remember that after joining this line now together, now I can now assume that this side here and this side here are equal. Remember, opposite sides are equal, and this side here and this side here are what? Equal. So I can now say that here the whole of here is now what? 12, and the whole of here is now what? Is now what? 9 cm. It's now what? 9 cm. So to find the perimeter now is going to be very, very easy for me now. So what am I going to do now? See, here is 12. From here to here is 12. Now remember that from here to here is 12. So how am I going to find from here to here? Because if I can find from here to here, I can find from here to here. So for me to find from here to here now, we now do, because the full length of here is 12. I will now say 12 minus 5 here. I will now have 7 cm. If here is 7 cm, it will be 7 cm. The opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal. All right. Now, so we are now left with this side here. So for me to get this side here, I will compare this side and this side. And for you to get this side, you have to compare this side and this side. So since I'm looking for this length now, compare this side and this side together. Remember, from here to here is 9, and from here to here is 9. And you can as well know that since from here to here, you find from here now. What are we going to do now? I will now say 9 minus is what? 6 cm. It's from here to here is 6 cm here. From here cm. Reason opposite side. So here my here will be 6 cm. From here to 6 cm. 6 cm. So here will be 6. So I can, if you can like, you can even wipe it. If you like, you can clean it. If you like, you can now clean all of them if you like, so that it will be clear for you to add up all the length. So it will be clear for you to add all the length. So now my perimeter now will be 12 plus 9 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 and plus 3. So let us add it together now and see what we are going to do now. I will now see my 12 plus 9 is what? 12 plus 9 is that 21 plus 1, 21 plus 5 is 26. 26 plus 6 is what? 32. 32 plus 7 is what? 39. 39 plus what? 3 is what? 42. Our perimeter is now what? 42 cm. So that is our perimeter. P, which is perimeter, is 42 what? Cm. So bear it in mind, whenever you are solving for what? The perimeter, the units must be in cm or in meter, not in cm squared or meter squared. Alright, if you really enjoy watch, please what on my page. Please don't only what but learn. Also share this exciting video to your friends and your loved ones. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.